Turn the fan off, would you?
This is gonna be
So
so
the thing
fun.
doesn't blow the candles.
I'm videoing. I'm videoing now.
Okay, fine.
Thank you. I'm sorry. I told it already. Stop it! Stop it!
Stop it!
Put it back in here.
Come on, hurry up. He wants to put my stupid video on YouTube. Yeah, yours.
Fine.
Use the candles, David. Don't use the lighter.
I'm sorry, is there a problem with this flame
It's just
source?
easier.
Emily's birthday. Hey!
Emily.
Why are you screaming so close to my ears?
Happy birthday to you. So awesome.
All right.
Meditating?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Let's go, blow out your candles, blow out your candles. Yeah, baby. Woohoo! This is going on YouTube.